This video is made to hypnotize. This video is made to hypnotize,
Good afternoon, CYKO fans. This is the XR Rider reporting to you live from the Laurentians. It's a beautiful snowy afternoon. It's a balmy minus 12, 14, something like that. And the XR Rider is getting ready to do a little spring maintenance on the bike. It's early January. Take a look at this. There she is, down there, getting ready to go inside to warm her bones. Welcome to a quiet moment here at the cabin. I'm going to do something a little different here, okay? So this is me and a cupcake. I got through watching all of Neil's videos and Neil's in. I got through watching them all, so I started looking at other videos of other people. And you know, rediscovering people that I'm interested in, people that I like watching. So this video goes out to somebody else that's pretty friggin' cool, lives in Australia. His name's Frogsy. This video goes out to him. And I guess at this point he's quite healed, so that's pretty cool. I guess he'll be sending us some more videos soon. In '85, bought my first bike. I don't know if you can see it up there. That was my first bike back in 1985. I was 20. I started on the trails. Had a street bike I'd ride on the trails. That bike there. Yeah, a little street is okay here and there, but trail, man, that's the way to go. Really. Cheers. I'd like to talk about last bike season. That's important to me. When I got back from Guatemala, I decided, okay, it's time to put aside a few things, you know, focus on the cabin. I did plan to go on a bunch of bike rides, but that was about it for the summer. But as things turned out, I decided to cancel the bike rides because I really needed to focus. So last summer was a very short riding season for me. A pretty hardcore. I'll ride from freezing, even below freezing if there's no snow, from April, sometimes March, all the way up to December. Well into November and December, definitely. That's me. That's how I ride. Because of the renovations and doing the flooring and everything, I didn't get the bikes inside until March. They were outside in the snowbank, both of them. I can show you a little bit of that. I can throw up the video there. Brought the bikes in March. And then shortly after that, the CRF was ready, and I decided to try to take it out. I could show you a little bit of that. Take it out the front door and through the snow all the way to the main road, which is quite a feet because there's like feet and feet and feet of snow up here. But I did get it out on April the 13th and went on my first ride to Disraeli because I had found this guy that was selling a car jack and a bottle jack and stuff. CYKO fans, it's XR Rider riding the CRF. I'm getting there. I'm like 30 kilometers or so from Disraeli. So I figured I'd do my first ride and go there. It was really nice. It was quite a ride. And that was the start of the season. A couple days later, I decided to go do the Jackrabbit Trail. During the winter, I was doing some watching videos and stuff, Neil's in, and looking at the maps and stuff, and the quad trail maps around Quebec, and I discovered an old road which was called the Jackrabbit, Chemin Jackrabbit, which was named after a famous skier from the area here, near Montreal. His name was Jackrabbit Johansson, and he laid a lot of the cross-country ski trails in the area near Morne Heights, which is just north of here. So they named the road after him, and I thought it was a road, so I went to check it out. In May, I also went to Omega Park with the Gotti. That was a very nice ride that day. It was a full summer day. We had a picnic and everything. We didn't actually go into Omega Park. Can't go in with a bike, but I should have known that. And then my big ride was in June, but I'll tell you about that after. In July, I went on a ride with my mechanic Martin and my son. My son took the XR. It was pretty much the biggest ride we had with the XR this summer. It needed a lot of work. I gave it to him in May for his birthday. So the XR, after that ride, because of the sprockets, man, we couldn't go anywhere after that. And then a couple of weeks later, I lost the muffler on the CRF. And I was quite upset about that. I lost my muffler Saturday on the way to work. So I had to buy a new one. That's weird. Well, that sounds kind of nice. But I wonder, is it going to start? Wow, that sounds good. That sounds like a freaking dirt bike. That sounds really good. Wow. There's the old beast. You'll see the new muffler on the CRF. As it turns out, I was very, very happy about that. CRF now has a really decent amount of power. It's really not the same bike. So, one of the projects for this winter is I'm going to change that rear shock. It's a little tired. I'm going to try to get a good aftermarket shock that's got more control, more settings than this one. So what happened after I finally got the muffler for the CRF? Let's see. My son took me to the studio Morin Heights in September, which was pretty cool. It's just north of here. Very famous recording studio that is in quite disrepair at the moment. It's been in disrepair for years. It's been closed down. A lot of famous Canadian artists have recorded there, notably Celine Dion and Rush and April Wine. So that was really cool. We went for a ride that day. He was on his scooter and I was in my CRF. It was a really good day.
I'll be right there. There's the main door. lake.
June 2007.
Oh yeah?
Closed down in 2008.
That was one of the rides, and that's really close to here, you know. In October, we really started to do the work on the XR. Rolled the tool cabinet outside, did it on the slab there by the side door. Worked on it for like a week, and then things got busy, and we weren't able to finish. So pretty soon we're going to work on the XR some more. And then I closed the season, what was it, November? With a couple of friends of mine. Actually my friend's son and his buddy. We closed the season, we went to do Jackrabbit Trail again. And then we branched off on another trail. It was a really good ride. We got so soaked, it was quite something. That's the season. That's the season in a cupcake. I'm going to be bringing you a few videos. I'd like to, little hats off to Frogsy and to Neil. Looking forward to some new videos from Neil. I guess he's still in Barcelona. I don't know. And cheers from the Laurentians. 2018 should be a bigger season. So let's get this thing ready. And we'll ride together in 2018.